The best time to plant a tree? That was 20 years ago. The next best time? Right now? The same rule applies to your finances. Whether you're 20 or 60, it's not too late to make your money serve you, not the other way around. Stick with me till the end of this video, and I'll share a simple framework to help you move toward financial independence. And don't forget to subscribe. This kind of insight is worth keeping close. Did you know that most people over 50 have less than $10,000 saved? Meanwhile, others are creating passive income, even without huge amounts of capital, simply by shifting their mindset. Here's the irony. The older we get, the more money we handle, yet the less of it we actually keep working for us. This isn't just about investing. This is about becoming wiser with your resources. Most people are stuck trading time for money, while a few smart ones let their money do the work. It doesn't matter where you begin. It matters what you're willing to accept as your reality. Regardless of your background, age, or education, you can begin building streams of income that provide freedom. I'm going to help you see money not just as numbers in an account, but as a partner in your life's mission. Let's start simple. Think of every dollar as a worker. You can either let it sit idle or assign it a job, investing in stocks, funds, real estate, or even saving in high-yield accounts. The key isn't starting with a fortune. The key is thinking like someone who grows wealth. Your financial mindset is more powerful than your current income. Once you start thinking like a builder, money starts gravitating toward your ideas. I once met a man in his 60s who felt he had missed his chance. He'd spent his life earning, but not building. We created a basic plan. He put 10% of his income in index funds and another 5% in a savings account. 2 years later, he had more saved than he had in the past 30 years. No tricks, just discipline and a new way of thinking. You can't rewind time, but you can shape what happens from today forward. Many people avoid investing because it feels complicated, but so did driving a car before you learned. Start small, $1, one account, one habit, and you'll build confidence over time. When people ask me where to begin, I always say, start with yourself. Investing in your knowledge brings the greatest return. Read one book, take a free course, watch one video. Then, treat every dollar as something to be managed, not just spent. I wasn't born knowing how to manage money. I simply got tired of watching it vanish. You can do the same. Pick a method you understand, stocks, real estate, gold, and stick with it. Investing isn't about timing the market perfectly. It's about building a habit. And when markets drop, don't panic. The wise investor keeps a long-term vision and doesn't get distracted by short-term noise. Never underestimate the power of compound interest. It's not just math, it's magic. A small, consistent investment today can grow exponentially tomorrow, but only if you start and keep going. Discipline outperforms talent, and consistency beats random luck. Maybe you're thinking, I'm not young anymore. But success doesn't care about your age. What matters is your intention. If you're ready to change your family's financial future, you're already on the right track. Picture this, you're in a boat. If you don't paddle, the current carries you wherever it wants. But if you pick up the oar and row, yes, even against the current, you'll eventually reach your destination. Your money is that oar. Your decisions determine the direction. You don't need a huge amount of money. What you need is to make bold, smart choices with what you already have. Every day gives you the chance to decide. Will you let money control you, or will you take control of it? Money makes a great servant, but a terrible master. And once you fully grasp that, your priorities change. You stop asking, how much do I make? And instead ask, how wisely am I using what I have? Most people earn money and immediately spend it all. But the wise ones, they set some aside to grow it. That's not greed, it's strategy. It's about protecting your future and caring for the people who depend on you. One powerful method is income allocation. Think of every dollar you make like a basket of apples. Eat one, save one for seeds, give one away, and plant one to grow more trees. That's balance. Try living on 70%, saving 10%, investing 10%, and giving 10%. That single shift transforms you from a spender into a builder, someone who's shaping their future instead of reacting to the present. You don't need millions, you need better decisions. Every purchase you make is a vote for the kind of future you want. Impulse spending votes for short-term comfort. Smart investing votes for long-term strength. I've met people who didn't earn much, but they consistently invested just $50 a month. After 5 years, they had built a foundation. not because they were rich, but because they were intentional.